Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on email notifications for boards you might like on Pinterest with the latest update. This feature helps you stay in the loop with fresh, inspiring content tailored just for you, delivered right to your inbox. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the personalized settings. Next, head over to your profile. To do this, simply tap on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space, where you manage your pins and settings. Once you're on your profile page, look for the notifications option and tap on it. This section controls how and when Pinterest reaches out to you with updates and alerts. Under Notifications, scroll down until you find the section titled Boards and Searches. Here, you'll see an option called Boards You Might Like. Tap on that to open the specific notification settings for these personalized board suggestions. Now, to make sure you receive email notifications about these boards, toggle on the email option. This switch enables Pinterest to send you emails whenever there are new boards that match your interests and browsing habits. And that's it. With these simple steps, you'll never miss out on exciting new boards Pinterest thinks you'll love. It's a great way to discover fresh ideas, whether you're into cooking, fashion, home decor, or any other passion. So, just to recap, open the Pinterest app. Go to your profile by tapping your picture at the top. Select Notifications, find boards you might like under Boards and Searches, and toggle on the email option. Thanks for watching. Now you can enjoy personalized Pinterest content delivered straight to your email, keeping your inspiration flowing effortlessly. Don't forget to check your email regularly for those updates and happy pinning.